A tree, a man, a moment of strength and skill. The craftsman is not just cutting down a tree. He controls each cut with precision and respect. When knowledge and experience are combined, the chainsaw is just an extension of the craftsman's hand. When a good machine is in competent hands, its true potential is unleashed. Witness the M35A2 Deuce in action under the command of a brave and skilled driver. You will see the power of the perfect combination of man and machine. In the modern forestry industry, efficiency is the top priority. Time is money, and this powerful wood chipper optimizes every second of work. See how the crane places the log in place. Every step is carefully calculated to ensure maximum productivity in the work cycle. Powered by a 4-kilowatt motor, this hydraulic wood splitter has a pressing capacity of up to 10 tons, and it can process up to 4 cubic meters of wood per hour. Now, let's see if our man can keep up with the speed of this machine. This is one of the most innovative tree root removal methods available today. Not only does it optimize the machine's traction, it also helps shorten construction time and improve work efficiency. The method demonstrates flexible innovation, reflecting the creative spirit of modern mining techniques. The PTH 1400/1000 Hackett Rough. Petzolato wood chipper is like a non-stop steel crusher, turning each rough log into fine sawdust in a short time. With powerful capacity and optimal design, the machine operates durably, brings high efficiency, excellently meets all requirements in professional wood exploitation and recycling. Felling trees on steep slopes requires skill and absolute concentration. The worker must not only calculate the exact cutting point, but also maintain a steady balance in difficult terrain conditions. Each saw cut is a perfect combination of experience and technique, ensuring maximum safety and efficiency in the work. Like a steel arm in the jungle, the Ponzi Scorpion King H7 works with power. Every operation, from pruning branches to cutting tree trunks, is performed quickly and precisely. Every movement is smooth, as if it had been calculated in advance. This is not only the power of the machine, but also the perfect combination of advanced technology and operating skills. The Pezolato TM 1200 Plus TB900 is not only powerful in cutting and splitting, but also flexible in handling large diameter logs. With its powerful capacity and optimized design, the machine ensures high efficiency, helps increase productivity, and meets the needs of professional firewood production. In the process of crushing biomass wood, the smooth coordination between the crushing drum and the transmission system is the key factor. With optimal design and modern technology, the Bandit Beast 2680 track operates efficiently, improving productivity and saving time for all mining jobs. In the middle of the old forest, the worker is like an artisan holding a saw instead of a pen. Each cut is carefully calculated. Each step is carefully considered. Amidst the noisy sounds of the machines, one can still clearly feel the calmness and proficiency of the hands that are so familiar with the forest and with wood. With each cut, the Valtra N154E affirms its bravery in the deep forest. It is not just a machine, it is a durable assistant for foresters. Powerful, precise, stable. This machine shows that when people and technology combine, the forest becomes a place where work is done more effectively than ever. Harsh weather conditions, Clark Skidder still works quietly and steadily. Each heavy log is pulled decisively, without any difficulty. This is not only a powerful machine, but also a symbol of endurance in the harsh challenges of nature. Komatsu 855 is more than just a wood grabber. It is a tool that helps workers save time and reduce labor. In a harsh industry like forestry, a machine like this really makes a difference. Like a wood carver, the craftsman moves the saw along each pre-drawn line. No rush, no deviation, just absolute concentration, patience, and craftsmanship honed over years of dedication to the profession. The site is spectacular and dangerous. If a branch falls, all efforts will be disastrous. Being a tree feller requires more than skill. It also requires alertness and caution. In the middle of the deep forest ice, the Valtra A124 still works durably and precisely. Each log is lifted gently as if weightless. It is not only the power of the machine, but also a testament to the technology that overcomes the challenges of nature. In the mud and slippery roads, the LKT81 turbo works and shows all the power of the machine. It is not just a powerful machine, but the epitome of the human will, always overcoming challenges with endurance, precision, and indomitable spirit. This machine is the heart of the entire woodworking workshop. Strong, stable, and powerful. As the saw blade glides neatly through the giant log, the strength and stability of the design is evident. More than just a machine, it is a tool that transforms raw wood into real value. Cutting trees in the forest not only requires strength, but also requires experience and alertness at every second. Looking at the worker's decisive operation, I believe that the skills accumulated over time are the deciding factor in safety and efficiency in this job. This is the process of clearing trees with a cutterhead excavator, where the power of machines combines with the initiative of humans to create change. Each tree is neatly processed in seconds, opening up a new space, clean and ready for a hopeful farming season. Using horses to pull wood is not only a simple solution, but also a choice that saves time and effort. This method helps reduce fuel costs and contributes to preserving traditional labor culture. In particular, this is a sustainable transport model, suitable for small-scale harvesting households. Although it is a small saw, the working ability of the Kieritz Echo CS280EG will make many people pay attention. Each cut of the Kieritz Echo CS280EG is straight, neat, and smooth, as if everything was calculated in advance. This is not just a test of the machine, but an affirmation of quality. Between the sound of wood and saws is the rhythm of honest labor. Each piece of wood is carefully processed. Each slice is the result of concentration and skill. This is not just production, but art in every grain of wood. This is the process of clearing trees with a cutter head excavator, where the power of machines combines with the initiative of humans to create change. Each tree is neatly processed in seconds, opening up a new space, clean and ready for a hopeful farming season. Amidst the harsh terrain, the snow-covered path, and the heavy load behind, the truck driver still holds the wheel firmly. They don't just drive a machine, they conquer challenges. It's that determination that makes us take our hats off, a spirit of steel in the midst of ice. The Kogan 870M is not only a woodworking machine, it also dominates the transportation front. Even in heavy snowfall, the machine still operates stably, quickly, and accurately. With such performance, $81,000 is a very reasonable price for those who want to invest for the long term. The Kirpan CH32 is more than just a wood splitter. It is a reliable work tool, simple to operate and delivers fast results. Whether it is green or mature wood, the machine shows its superior strength with each firm press. This is a risky process of hauling logs. Just a moment of distraction, and the consequences can be beyond control. But with experience and composure, the driver turned that dangerous journey into a testament to his professional skills. The deep forest, the John Deere 1010G works quietly. Each log is lifted as if weightless. This is not just the power of machines, but a testament to technology serving people, helping forestry work become more precise, safe, and efficient than ever. Amidst the screeching sound of saws and the smell of new wood, the sawing process at the old workshop is a vivid image of traditional carpentry. Each cut not only divides the tree trunk, but also preserves the long-standing values, where the craftsman's hands are still the soul of each product.